Alrighty, GTO, here's your LS space engine on the dyno. Here's this computation. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. It's 2.9 Whipple. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Put the Wegner front end on it. Holley fuel management. Go in there and make some runs. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3600, 707 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 728. And this run here, we stopped at 6,400, 812 horsepower with just 8 pounds of boost, so still really low boost, really safe tune-up, so runs really good. I'll show you a couple things here. We can see your engine. That'll be this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have an engine number. If you need something from us, the easiest way to look you up is that number. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. Take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.